Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So for my YOTV presenter Hulisani Ravele posted a photo in her Sangoma regalia and had social media buzzing. The former 947 presenter, having recently taken a break from the entertainment industry, had a lot of people questioning her spiritual journey, you guys. Now, Hulisani Ravele, or CC rather, posted a new photo embracing her spiritual journey, having recently taken a bow from 947, a season broadcaster shared some wisdom with her followers in the latest post in her Sangoma regalia. She quoted Grace Guggenheimer and said, "I carry within me the heart of a warrior, the mind of a pharaoh, the soul of a goddess, and the wisdom of my grandmother's grandmother." And now, you guys, of course, tweeps are basically dragging her for following her spiritual journey, with tweeps calling it a trend, saying that when these celebrities do not get gigs or jobs, they turn themselves into sangomas to trend, and in the hopes of maybe being booked. They basically accused CCO Hulisani of being one of those. Now, CC quit her radio gig at some point, you guys, to become a sangoma, and people are saying this about her. One thing that most people do not understand is that you cannot choose your calling or decide to close it. Now, Hulisani at the time had the most paid radio personality jobs, but she chose to quit and focus on this. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and read what tweets were saying about her. When celebrities do not get gigs, they start questioning their spirituality. Skumbu wrote this on her Twitter. The Sangoma industry is booming, David Zaka wrote, and then Ama5 wrote, "Not sure who said most celebrities are depressed, they don't have a calling." And then Ndungamasi wrote, "Here we go again." Mpowa Mudimu said, "A little heartbreak, all of a sudden you became a sangoma." Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. I will see you on the flip side. Bye.